Welcome to Infinity Tech. Today, we're taking you inside one of the world's largest marine engineering factories to witness the incredible journey of building giant ship propellers.
Every giant ship propeller begins long before molten metal ever enters a mold. If we optimize the blade geometry here, we significantly reduce the cavitation risk. And the thrust efficiency simulation.
The audio features narration throughout the clip. The narration states, thousands of virtual calculations.
The strength of every marine propeller depends on the exact chemistry of its alloy.
Once every engineering calculation is complete, the transformation from raw metal to marine machinery can begin.
Every alloy ingredient must meet strict marine engineering standards before melting begins. The foundry is ready to transform solid metal into molten engineering precision.
The next stage will unleash temperatures powerful enough to reshape tons of bronze into one of the world's largest marine propellers. At temperatures exceeding 1,000 degrees, solid bronze transforms into a glowing river of liquid engineering. Purity is essential, because even tiny impurities can weaken a propeller weighing several dozen tons. Copper at 80.1, tin and aluminum are climbing. Looks good. Optimal composition achieved. Every melt is verified before casting begins, ensuring consistent performance in the finished propeller. Handling molten metal on this scale requires flawless coordination between people and machinery. Thousands of kilograms of liquid bronze are now ready for the most critical stage of production. In the next moment, molten metal will become the foundation of one of the world's largest marine propellers. Before molten bronze can take shape, engineers must first create a mold capable of surviving extreme heat. Even the smallest surface defect inside the mold could appear on the finished propeller. Hidden inside the mold, carefully engineered channels will guide molten bronze into every section of the casting. Ensure the riser connection is secure. The simulation flags this junction for turbulence. We've calibrated the angle precisely. It should hold the flow rate. Weeks of preparation come together in a single moment as the giant mold is finally sealed. Once molten bronze begins flowing, there is no opportunity for correction.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
The moment has arrived when liquid metal begins its transformation into one of the world's largest ship propellers.
The largest marine castings demand a continuous pour, where even a brief interruption can compromise the entire structure.
Hidden beneath layers of compacted sand, liquid bronze spreads through a carefully engineered network designed for perfect casting. Temperature, flow rate, and timing must remain perfectly synchronized throughout the entire casting. Maintaining an uninterrupted flow allows every blade to solidify as a single continuous casting. The rising metal inside the risers signals that the hidden mold has filled successfully from end to end.
3, 2, 1.
The final moments of pouring will influence the strength and quality of the finished propeller.
Although invisible beneath the sand, crystallization has already begun inside the giant casting. Now begins the longest test of patience, as controlled cooling determines the internal strength of the giant propeller. Days of controlled cooling allow the bronze to develop the strength required for decades at sea.
For the first time, the hidden casting begins to reveal the shape engineers created weeks earlier. What appears rough today will soon become one of the smoothest and most precisely engineered components aboard a ship.
Removing the mold is only the beginning of transforming the raw casting into a finished marine propeller.
The temporary channels that delivered molten bronze have completed their purpose and are now removed.
The heat map is showing green across the board.
Gauges confirm the hub diameter and thickness are within limits.
Excellent. The casting meets all engineering tolerances.
The raw casting is complete. Now precision engineering will transform it into a world-class marine propeller. Casting creates the shape, but precision machining creates performance. Every cut begins with knowing the exact position of every surface. Each pass removes only a few millimeters, yet every cut changes how the propeller will move water.
The strongest forces concentrate at the hub, demanding the highest machining precision.
The smallest machining adjustments can improve fuel efficiency across thousands of hours at sea.
Modern metrology confirms what precision machining has achieved with remarkable accuracy. Precision machining is complete, but true marine performance is achieved only after perfect balance and a flawless surface finish. Precision machining creates the geometry, but skilled finishing perfects every hydrodynamic surface.
Even in an automate factory, the final touch still depends on experienced hands.
A smoother surface reduces drag, minimizes cavitation, and improves efficiency throughout the propeller's service life.
Every square centimeter must meet exacting standards before balance testing can begin. Balance is measured not only by weight, but by how that weight behaves in motion.
Even a few grams of imbalance can create enormous forces on a ship's propulsion system.
Sometimes perfection is achieved by removing less material than the thickness of a human hair.
Only after flawless balance and surface perfection can the propeller face its final engineering inspections. Before a propeller can power an ocean-going vessel, every millimeter must be verified.
Modern metrology allows engineers to detect dimensional variations smaller than the width of a human hair.
The strongest component is the one whose hidden structure is as flawless as its polished surface. Invisible flaws become visible under specialized testing, ensuring complete structural confidence.
Perfect balance protects engines, shafts, and bearings throughout years of continuous operation.
The final surface treatment preserves months of craftsmanship before installation aboard a vessel. Only after every inspection is complete can the propeller receive official certification for marine service.
Keep coming forward, slow and steady. All right, bring her down now. Easy does it.
The journey from factory to shipyard demands the same precision used to build the propeller itself. Here, one of the most carefully engineered components meets one of the world's largest machines.
Every movement is deliberate because even a slight misalignment can affect installation accuracy.
Perfect alignment ensures decades of reliable power transmission beneath the sea. Securing the propeller is the final mechanical link between engine power and ocean movement.
Years of engineering are finally measured by one simple result: moving a massive ship efficiently across the ocean. From molten bronze to open ocean, the propeller has completed its journey into marine service. After months of engineering, the propeller finally performs the task it was created for, moving the world's commerce across the seas.
The greatest engineering achievements often work silently, hidden beneath the waterline. Reliability at sea is earned long before a ship ever leaves the dock. One propeller powers one ship, but the same engineering keeps global trade moving every day. Every finished propeller marks the beginning of another extraordinary manufacturing journey.
Behind every world-class marine component stands the experience, precision, and dedication of countless skilled people.
And this is how one of the world's largest ship propellers is engineered, from raw bronze to the silent force that moves global trade across the oceans.